units of a thunderstorm
MPX!
for southeastern Dakota County in east central Minnesota, northwestern Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota until 5:45 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Cannon Falls, or 16 miles west of Red Wing, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cannon Falls around 5:25 p.m. Welch around 5:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota.
MPX SBR!